Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi ma'am, good day. My name is Berlin Joylene. I am 29 years old. I live in Barangay Yaman, Leganes, Iloilo. I live with my live-in partner and we have 3 kids, age 6, 3, and 2 years old. I have 2 siblings and I am the eldest in the family.
Okay.
I am cruise ship management undergrad and I did not finish my studies due to financial problem.
Okay. Do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No ma'am, but I have experience before as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years and 2 months to a couple with 2 kids aged 2 and 5 years old.
Okay. What did you do there for more than 2 years?
My duties there ma'am, I do marketing, cooking, laundry, ironing their clothes, wash dishes, and taking care of their children and any household works.
Okay. Do you also cook there?
Yes ma'am, I do cooking ma'am every day.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself, ma'am, as honest, trustworthy, happy person, understanding, and can do with less supervision.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am, I don't have any tattoo.
Do you have any surgical operation before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, to help my family and save money for my children, for their future and education.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother-in-law, ma'am, and my live-in partner.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
Usually, ma'am, I woke up 5 a.m. in the morning and I sleep at night at 10 a.m.
Sorry, 10?
10 p.m.
Okay. What are you doing? Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am. Pardon, please, ma'am.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am. I do everyday cooking and marketing.
Okay. In Hong Kong kids, the kids they're super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will just talk to them nicely, ma'am, and be more patient.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
If I got homesick, ma'am, I'll just focus on my work and.
Okay. Do you have any allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am. I don't have any allergy.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relative, and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
First, ma'am, I will check the baby's temperature and I will tell my employer about the situation of the baby so that they will aware about the situation of the baby, ma'am.
Okay. Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I promise to finish my contract.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please give an example.
Please and thank you, please and thank you. These are the nice words you can say. Please and thank you, please and thank you. Say it every day.
Okay. Can you please say something to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you choose me as your domestic helper, I promise to finish my contract and extend if needed. I am honest, trustworthy, and understanding person and can work with less supervision. I promise to serve you with all my best. Thank you and the best.